Welcome back to GyanBite. Last video we showed how XSS lets an attacker run their code in your browser. Today we flip the script. CSRF, cross-site request forgery. With CSRF, the attacker doesn't inject any code. They just trick your browser into sending a request you never intended. One click on a link and your browser transfers money, changes your email, or deletes your account using your authenticated session. No exploit, no malware, just your browser doing exactly what it was designed to do. We'll cover how cookies enable this, see get and post attacks in action, walk through a real account takeover, and build the defenses. Let's go. Here's the thing about browsers that make CSRF possible. When your browser sends a request to bank.com, it automatically attaches every cookie for that domain. Every time you're on bank.com, you click transfer, request goes out with your session cookie. Normal. Now here's the problem. You're on evil.com. A hidden image tag or a hidden form triggers a request to bank.com. Your browser attaches the same cookies automatically. The server receives the request, sees a valid session cookie, and thinks this is a legitimate user. It has no way to know that you didn't intend to send that request. To the server, both requests look identical. That's the browser trust problem. And that's exactly what CSRF exploits. The simplest CSRF attack. The attacker puts an image tag on their page. The source attribute points to bank.com/transfer with the attacker's account and the amount right in the URL. Your browser sees an image tag. It tries to load the image. It sends a GET request to bank.com with your cookies attached. The bank receives a valid authenticated transfer request and executes it. You never click the transfer button. You just loaded a page with a cat meme. This is why state-changing operations should never use GET call. Post-based CSRF takes one more step, but it's just as deadly. The attacker creates a hidden form on their page. The form's action points to bank.com by transfer. The fields contain the attacker's account and the amount. Then, one line of JavaScript, document.forms.submit. The form auto-submits the moment you load the page. Your browser sends a post request to bank.com with your cookies. The bank sees a valid post with a valid session and transfers the money. The form is hidden. You see nothing. You're looking at a cat meme while your bank account empties. Let's walk through a real account takeover. Step 1. The attacker sends you a phishing email. Hey, check out this article. Totally normal looking link. Step 2. You click the link. Normal looking page. Step 3. Behind the scenes, a hidden form submits a post request to change your email address on the target website. The site updates your email to the attacker's email. No confirmation needed, you were authenticated. Step 4. The attacker clicks forgot password on the target site. The reset link goes to their email now. Step 5. They reset your password. They own your account. All because you clicked one link. You never typed a password. You never gave permission. Your browser did it for you. CSRF tokens. This is the primary defense. Here's how it works. When the server renders a form, it generates a random unique token and embeds it as a hidden field. The server also stores this token in the user's session. When the form is submitted, the server checks, does the token in the request match the token in the session? If yes, legitimate request, it goes through. Now the attacker. They can create a form that points to your site, but they can't read the token from your page. The same origin policy prevents it. Without the token, the request gets rejected. Every time. The cookie proves who you are. The token proves you meant to do it. 2 more layers on top of CSRF tokens. SameSite cookies. Set SameSite equals lax on your session cookie. This is actually the default in modern browsers now. With lax, the browser won't send the cookie on cross-site post requests. The attacker's hidden form from evil.com. Cookie not attached. CSRF dead on arrival. Strict is even stronger. No cookies on any cross-site request, even link clicks. Use lax for most cases. Strict for highly sensitive apps. Second, origin header validation. On every state-changing request, check the origin or referrer header. If it doesn't match your domain, reject it. The attacker's form sends a request from evil.com. The origin header says evil.com. Your server sees that and blocks it. CSRF tokens verify intent, SameSite blocks cross-site cookies, origin headers confirm the source, 3 layers, use all 3, 4 concepts, 1 mental model. The browser trust problem cookies go with every request, no matter who triggered it. Get-based CSRF, 1 image tag, 1 stolen transfer. Post-based CSRF, a hidden form, auto-submitted in the background, and a full account takeover, 1 clicked link, email changed, password reset, game over. The defenses: CSRF tokens verify intent, same-site cookies block cross-site requests, origin headers confirm the source. Every modern framework has CSRF protection built in, but it only works if you don't disable it. Next up, CORS and the same origin policy, the browser's built-in security boundary that makes the web possible. Subscribe so you don't miss it.